What would you say is the common thread that runs through great leadership? When you see it across different organizations, different industries, there's still a common thread. What would that be?
Yeah, I don't know that I've identified a single thread. There are characteristics or traits that are consistent from one company to the next. And it almost always includes a level of empathy, understanding that, my work is not my identity, that folks around me, not just those that I interact with every day, but essentially everyone in the organization, everyone in the world, we all bring baggage. And the highest of high functioning teams and organizations understand that our work is not our identity. And that wasn't the case for many, many years because work was my identity for a couple of decades. When we recognize the level of empathy that we give almost always results in a higher level of loyalty and commitment to our cause and our mission.
Yeah.
We start to lead a little differently.